I like the beer.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah.
The sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium.
Sige mga muntag, mga besh, mga bahay.
Good morning, everybody.
As you saw in our previous vlog, we moved here to our beachfront, aka poolside, here in Dumaguete. But today, aka the other day, we upgraded to this bad boy. Charot.
Char.
So this is our new house for quarantine, and in today's vlog, we are going to give you a tour.
House tour.
House tour.
MTV. What's it called?
Cribs.
Cribs.
But we are starving, so first things first, let's cook some brekkie.
What are you doing?
So yeah, we're gonna cook some cribs. I'm gonna show you how to do this. I am not a certified chef, so
By
do not
any
quote me
means.
on this. It's super hollow in this room. Hello,
It's me.
it's me. So yeah, so first things first, you need 2 large eggs. Boom, boom. Crack it 3 times.
Just to be sure.
Ooh, yeah. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. You need 2 eggs. You need 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little bit of salt, butter.
Now whip it, man, whip it.
We're gonna throw some cinnamon in just for our own
Preference.
preference. All right, let's get it cracking. Get it, charot. So here's all wala kami measuring cups. We do not have any measuring cups, so we're gonna use the rice cooker. As you can see, we got our measuring in here. Life hack. So it looks like a cup. 1 cup. Hopefully this is accurate. Ooh. Zoe doesn't trust the measuring on this rice cooker.
Whoa.
So she's gonna put it into a mug. Just slap it in. Zoe's taking over my cooking show. Very nice, I like.
Me.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have told me about that now. Can't stop it.
All right, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Keeps my...
That's more than 1.
Basically, you're just gonna throw all this in a bowl and mix it up, halo style. And we're just gonna freestyle this one. Ooh. Maybe 1 more pinch?
No. I don't want salty crepes.
That's true. 1 tablespoon of Palliaer. Assistant chef, would you mind microwaving my butter, please?
Sure.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh.
This is New Zealand milk. Nice curry.
Faster. Faster.
Too fast!
Sige, so human na ang mix. So inito na to ang stove. Translation bet?
We finished the mix, so now we have to make the stove hot.
Very good. So slap some butter on the pan, pour it on, and then pour it in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Oh, baby.
Woo!
Look at that. What are those?
Crepe.
What is it?
What?
All right, this is the final product.
Do you want to do another one?
Monisha.
Yeah.
While she cooks that, I'm gonna show you what to do with the rest. Thank you. So on crepes, obviously you can throw on some fruit and whatever the heck you want to put on it. My personal favorite is plain, featuring some powdered sugar. So I just kind of whip it on there. Ooh. That is how it's done. Oh, that's too much. Just massage it in. And then this is gonna be hard because I have 1 hand. You just kind of roll it up.
What about the syrup?
Nah, I'm not a big fan. There it is. My masterpiece, featuring Mom Joey's masterpiece because she made this one. Pancake ni social. This is just proof that I cook for Mom Joey. Check this out. And look at that, that is freaking perfect.
It's a nice one.
Sometimes you go for a nice flip.
Whoa!
Oh! Did not see that one coming, did ya?
I am spoiled. Oh, my fingers are in the frame now.
By the way, we are shooting with Zoe's phone. So, pwede na mo mag-vlog bisan wala ko mo camera kay basta na iPhone or bisan dili iPhone basta phone naman. Oh! Alright, Zoe is about to begin her favorite part of the day. What is it?
Yoga!
Oh!
Yoga.
Helps her stay chill and not get mad at Kaloy. So yeah, this is her setup here in our beloved living room. Check it out. All right, so she's gonna begin her yoga and I'm gonna watch Michael Jordan on Netflix. Bye.
So we're gonna come in into cat and cow pose. Beautiful to do in the beginning of your practice because it opens up the spine. It starts to move like fluidity through the spine, join the breath. So it looks like this. The belly falls down, the shoulders roll back, and the gaze comes up towards the sky.
They can play well, but we foretell. But we foretell.
We showed you our place last time. We already showed you our new place. Have you ever had ibab before?
Huh?
Ibab?
Ibab?
Ibab.
No.
Tagalog, it's kamais, I think.
That's tomatoes. Kamates.
Have you ever had one of these before?
Negative.
It's a weird fruit. Some people taste it sweet and some people taste it bitter. So I need you to see.
Like coriander.
Ooh! This is so hot. Oh! My back. Oh!
Cacao, cacao.
Ooh! Ooh! Mom Joey has never had ibab before. Mais. So people taste this either sweet or bitter. It depends on your taste buds.
My taste buds are currently burnt.
So just take a big bite of this.
I don't want to take a big bite.
You have to.
Just a wee bite.
No.
What if it sucks?
At least half of it.
Are you joking?
Promise? There's a third one. Some people taste it sour. It's the most,
breaking my jaw.
it's the most sour fruit in the Philippines.
Did you trick me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Come on, just pop it in your mouth. Bite it. No, you have to chew. Come on. All right, challenge you. This next one, you have to do it without making a face.
My ulcer hurts so much.
Bite it off. Chew, 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 chew. No face. Babe! That is illegal. Ooh. Yeah.
It hurts.
My mom's been training me for this moment since the day I was born.
Oh, you're a joke. Why are you the most competitive person in the world?
All right, Nana kami diri poolside. We're here poolside.
In front of our old house.
Next to our old place. It was super good. But as you saw, we moved across the street, across the
backyard.
pool, to our new place. The reason we did that is because
Our host.
Tita Gloria, our host, is super hospitable.
Yeah, and because we were here for a month, she was like, we want you to be comfortable.
Yeah, so super nice of her to let us upgrade. And then the other day, she let us stop by her beach house where we had some food and
Yeah, we spent a night there.
yeah, super sick. So we will post the link to their Airbnb in the description if you're in Dumaguete and want to check it out.
Both
This
of
is
them.
not sponsored. She helped us out and we would like to help her out because she's so hospitable and it's such an awesome place. Now we will legal because it is so in it.
In it.
I'm jumping up Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. Listen to my drum as I bang. I'm not gonna be silent in this vera wang. Oh, you know I'm not that kind of girl. I'm much better off in the underworld.
Sige, so humana kami maligo. We're done swimming and I am on my way to get some chooks to go. Mom Joey's in the kitchen whipping up some nice lunch. So let's go check in with Zoe while I get some chooks to go.
Hello everyone. So Carson has gone out to get a manok from Chooks to Go for lunch. Meanwhile, I've stayed home to make potato salad, which is one of our new favorite things to cook. It's super easy and it's like a staple dish in any Australian or American summer barbecue. And I just googled the recipe, so I don't know if it's the right way, but it's my way. So next up is the sauce, which is just mayonnaise and mustard. I don't really know how much of this either, it's just to taste, so if you like it more mustardy, put more mustard. I'll show you. I got Tesco mayonnaise because I don't like the super sweet mayonnaise that you get in the Philippines. Sorry. Tesco English mustard, vibrant and fiery. And some herbs, or as the Americans would say, herbs. maybe. And now we boil our potatoes. Oops, I dropped one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, cooking channels are stressful. Oh gosh. Then you add some mustard. Eventually. Okay. Woo!
Alright, currently Zoe is making her famous salad.
It's our famous salad. We did it together.
Featuring mangoes, tomatoes, I guess a lemon, cucumbers, and some lettuce.
Oh yeah, no lettuce.
No lettuce. And I will make mango dressing.
I'm not crying yet.
Alright, this is Mom Joey's salad, topped with some lemon.
Apparently a lemon seed. Oops. Oops.
Chloe's Kitchen, give us a lowdown.
You missed the last part of my
Wait,
potato.
come here.
What?
Come here.
There's something on my face.
Yum.
I never got to show you the end of how to make potato salad, but pretty much you just boil eggs and mix it all together. You're supposed to peel the potatoes, but Carson got hungry and didn't have the patience. So he reckons he likes potato skins. We'll see.
And then we got our salad with our dressing.
And our manok.
Chicks to go. Oh baby, I am
Usually we
hungry.
make our own chicken, but I don't defrost any.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we are done eating lunch. It is almost dinner time now because we're so late. But we're gonna finish the tour of our house before we end the vlog.
I have found my favorite part of the house.
Where?
I love these.
Really?
Yeah, I really like them. This is like
So this is the kitchen real quick. Boom, panis. Super nice. Got a microwave, oven, all the essentials. Is this a living room, kitchen? Dining table.
dining table.
All right.
This is my workstation.
Yes, this is the giant mirror for Zoe's yoga. Cat cow.
Oh, okay.
This is the living room. Walk in the front door. Very nice. This is spare bedroom.
We don't really go in here.
But this is available on Airbnb, so if you want to bring the whole crew here,
Yeah, the fam.
you got space.
There's an AC in there as well. This is
Another
It's a
bathroom
public bathroom.
with a heater, warm showers,
All the
cool
stuff
shower.
hanging up, you know. Sorry, guys.
All right, the master bedroom. Tutulito.
so many cupboards.
Organization. Very puto chair, bench.
Strongest Wi-Fi ever.
Great Wi-Fi.
Seriously.
Nice bathroom.
And main bathroom. No, our bathroom.
The other day we found a giant spider in here and Zoe captured it.
Because I'm strong and brave.
Yes.
I am afraid. No, I missed.
Dang it.
I missed.
Oh, you speedy son of a... Yeah,
All right, so that is the tour.
that's the house, that's the home. Another aircon.
Yes, nice haircut. Sige, so muna siyang vlog karon. We have to go outside because we're doing a live video on Facebook.
The lights his face.
We are doing a live video on Facebook. We're gonna try to do it every Saturday. So Sabado Night Live, as Mom Joey says.
I came up with it. Do you like it? Sabado Night Live. Kind of, you know, do you get it?
It's copyrighted.
It's...
All right, so yes, hope you enjoyed the vlog. A lot of cooking.
Yeah, let me know if you want to see more. I probably won't do any, but...
On my channel. Duh.
Why?
Why? Why what? I mean,
I
why?
have a kicker too. Sige, salamat sa pagtanaw.
Huwag amping mo. Tanan!